This is going on. We don't really have anything in statute addressing it or even recognizing it, but it was going on in the state of Texas. It was going to be coming, and I didn't see any reason why Texas shouldn't be at the forefront of it.
Yeah, and
Texas is developing a statewide plan for intelligent infrastructure economic zones in order to enhance safety, resiliency, and accelerating the adoption of intelligent and autonomous systems, turning Texas into the state of the future.
Texas really is becoming the leading innovation state in the United States. And candidly, we can just go through stories, Morgan, that you yourself have reported on. There is, of course, SpaceX that you mentioned. There's Blue Origin, where you were in the state of Texas for that. There's the Gigafactory. Another thing you reported on is Army Futures Command, where the future of the United States Army is being built out here in downtown Austin, where their focus is on artificial intelligence and robotics. But now also autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are coming very rapidly in the state of Texas.
And then the really big one that I think is really going to be revolutionary is the nexus of humans and machines. So figuring out how to optimize the integration of humans and machines. So it's a tech, it's a big, autonomy is kind of the center of gravity of that problem, but not to replace humans with robots.
And at the same time, we're working on building out, digital infrastructure to provide a backbone of that across the entirety of the state.
New era we're entering it. From eVTOLs, drones, autonomous vehicles, to space travel, we're in a global race to out-innovate and out-compete the rest of the world.
Do you want to win in this industry? And I think the U.S. really needs to look at this and take a step back and say, listen, China is competing the living hell out of us around the rest of the world. How do we innovate and win? And it's going to be on the tech side. And this high-speed travel is really sort of the core and what the sort of the utility of the industry needs to deliver to folks. And it is how you get GDP growth. I mean, we could get into a whole discussion here. It's how you get GDP growth out of this 2 to 4% band in this discussion we keep getting stuck in.
The status of a traffic light, for example, there's no need for that to be inferred. I mean, we're going to use how much compute to look at the light and determine whether it's red or green. That's a state machine. It's either red or green, and that can be known. And so you could, as you build these intelligent systems, start to have the state of different things, and which could include, road openings and road closures and construction work that's going on and traffic and all kind of other things that should be built into the system as well. So I do think a national kind of standard could be great.
We know that services like artificial intelligence, spatial computing, intelligent transportation, and autonomous systems will require an intelligent infrastructure to support scaled adoption. Exceptional scientists, engineers, industry executives, national leaders, and investors have highlighted the critical need for intelligent infrastructure. National sovereignty and global productivity will go to the nation that deploys the intelligent infrastructure enabling Industry 4.0. Vehicles required roads, the internet required backbone networks. Intelligent and autonomous systems, Industry 4.0, requires a dense, secure, and resilient intelligent infrastructure.